Kamjong District Administration na Assam Rifles Police amadi Health Authority kaloinana Myanmar dagi lanjalaklaga district asida changjafam lauduna leiriba Myanmar macha singi biometric registration amadi verification Pangthok-Khre Thauramadu Faiko Sangkhalok amadi Aloyo da Pangthok-Khibane mafamsing asida Myanmar dagi lanjalakpa kayana changjafam lauduna hojik leiribane Hiramasiga mari leinana official statement amana hai Official Nifurom na saba team amana khulahum asida changjafam lauduna leiriba Myanmar macha chamangaromgi identity verification biometric enrollment amade demographic documentation na chingba chathake operation asigi ahanba phase da border security kankhat hanbada akhanaba pandam thamli aduga ani suba phase da na documentation amade monitor tawbada akhanaba meeting thamle Biometric registration amadi verification ki thabak chathakhiba asina miyoi sing adu masak khangdokpada natana administration da hena laithok halagani hainasu statement aduna makha tare